Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Zika Just Money. Today we are going to dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing. I am going to give an honest review or honest look at what it takes to succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. I am also going to share some tips, the tools that I use, and some common mistakes that most people make when trying to start out. If you are thinking about starting affiliate marketing or you are in it already, but you aren't seeing results, then this video is for you. Let's go. Before we go further, let me break down what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a way of you earning money by promoting other people's products or services. Basically, you own a unique affiliate marketing link from a company. And when someone clicks on that link to buy an item, and when someone clicks to buy something using that your link, you get paid your commission. It's simple enough, right? So let's start with pros. Why is affiliate marketing so popular? This is the question that we need to ask. Why is affiliate marketing so popular? Well, here are a few reasons why it's popular. One, low startup cost. You don't need a lot of money to get started. In fact, you don't need to create your own product. All you need is a platform to promote on. Whether it's a Facebook, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media, or even an email list. This is a platform where you need to promote all these products. You don't need money to set it up. Two, flexibility. You can work from anywhere at any point in time. If you are looking for a flexible location and independent money to venture into, affiliate marketing is an awesome option. Here you control your workload and hours of your job. So that is why it's good to choose affiliate marketing, and this is one of the reasons why affiliate marketing is popular and easy to run. Third one is scalability. You can scale your affiliate marketing program by expanding your content, promoting more products, or even use a paid ads to reach a broader audience. The fourth one is passive income potential. Once you have created your content and set up your affiliate marketing link, it's possible for you to earn money while you sleep. Of course, this requires a good SEO, and a valuable content, but the potential of making a passive income is real here. Now, no business is without its own challenges. So now let's take a look at some of the cons of affiliate marketing. One, it takes time. I am going to be real with you. Affiliate marketing is not a get quick rich scheme. No. It takes time to build an audience, create content, and even drag traffic. Affiliate marketers, most of these affiliate marketers that you are seeing today that have started earning, it takes them months of hard work. They did not just start earning immediately. It takes them months of hard work to build that community. That is how it works. Second one is dependency on traffic. You cannot make money on affiliate marketing if no one is visiting your content. Getting audience or traffic can be tough, especially when you are in a competitive niches. So you will have to learn how to optimize, for SEOs, or even run some paid ads for people to drive to come to your page or to your channel so that they will be able to see your link and click on it. The third one is low conversion rates. Just because that someone click on your affiliate link does not mean that they will buy. Low conversion rate that we are talking about here is the percentage of people who actually make a purchase might be lower than you might have expected, and this can be frustrating. The fourth one is commission can vary. Affiliate marketing commission aren't always stable. Some company might pay high commission, while other company may pay a very low commission, and sometimes the commission might change or even disappear overnight. So how can you succeed in an affiliate marketing? Here are some actionable tips. One, choose the right niche. Choose a niche that you are passionate about, that has audience willing to buy. It is always better to focus on a specific niche rather than trying to be jack of all trades, trying to be everywhere. No, take for example, instead of talking about fitness, choose a niche that will talk about home workouts for a busy professionals. The second one is create a high quality content. You need to create a content that is valuable. Your content needs to be valuable and engaging, whether it's a social media post blog posts, or even YouTube videos. Yes, you need to make sure that those content is valuable, that you are solving problems, giving people advice that they can trust. This is actually what builds credibility. Focus on SEO. Yes, search engine optimization. This is a game changer. Yes, you don't rely solely on paid ads. No, make sure that you take out your time, invest your time in learning search engine optimization so that your content will be ranking on Google. Yes, and be attracting organic traffic. Yes, this is very, very important if you want to make money on affiliate marketing. Yes, this involves keyword search optimizing on pages, elements, and building backlinks. Yes. Diversify affiliate marketing program. You don't just rely on one affiliate marketing program. No. Different products and services will appeal to different segments of your audience. So by diversifying your affiliate marketing program, yes, you will reduce the risk of losing money. Yeah. When one affiliate marketing program stop paying you, yes, you reduce the risk of losing income when affiliate marketing programs start working for you. The fifth one is you track and optimize. Yes, use tools like Google Analytics, affiliate dashboard tools to track your clicks, your conversations and earnings. This data will help you to optimize your strategy to know what is working and what is not working. All right, that's a wrap on today's video. Now you know the truth about affiliate marketing. Yes, the good, the bad, and everything in between. If you are serious about your affiliate marketing journey or you want to improve, remember, success takes time, but with the right strategies, tools, and mindsets, it is actually possible. If you found this tip helpful and you want to dive deeper into your affiliate marketing journey, please don't forget to drop them in the comment section. And if you have any question, don't forget to drop them in the comment section below. I'll be happy and glad to help out. Also, please don't also forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on your post notification bell to help you know whenever I post a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one, where I'll actually be tackling more ways you can make money online. Yes guys, see you in my next one. Bye.